a chance to go into all departments and have a heat of what they feel and what
Day to day.
they do. And I also feel like taking this software it was given to definitely to achieve better results.
So it was helpful to you.
Everybody had told a lot of things, but giving a lighter note, usually training second half will be थोड़े देर तो पक्का सोते हैं. First time it's like we were so involved that actually I didn't sleep.
You can't sleep actually. You're the CEO. I mean, you were the almost acting CEO there. You have to take decisions.
It's first time, like I have done a lot of trainings, but somewhere we take a power nap, second half. But here we
Didn't get a chance to.
It was so much, so
Engrossed.
And one more thing is, we came to know that it's not important. The only one factor of making money. There are a lot of other factors. It depends.
Right.
Somehow, if our share value is good, also, we may not have our cash in hand. We were thinking, okay, share value अच्छा है तो better company must है. Who knows? Maybe the share value is good, but the company doesn't have cash to pay. This year they are the best. Next year they may be the last ones. So we need to.
You know why the CEOs are not sleeping? It's fake money you are not
So
able
they
to
need
sleep. In real money, if you invest, what will happen?
That's why they need yoga meditation. Hari Om.
Yeah, learned about importance of data from different departments putting it together. Till now we used to collect our own data, individual department, but this is something is very good actually. If we really act on it and collect a lot of data from different departments and simulate it, so it will really help. That was one thing, and having a clear strategy to achieve it.
You have to fix a goal and you have to work towards it. Raj.
The training program is really good because it keeps you engrossed, as you said, and gives you a sneak peek in other, bird view of other departments. So a lot of terms are there. I mean, it's a real hands-on experience. It's kind of a simulation game, and you can see like you had certain assumptions which didn't go well. But now the challenge is to go down, how to turn around, or at least, if not to be a winner, at least try to take away your learning.
When you make sure that it took Apple 8 years or 9 years to come out of a hole, which they almost went bankrupt, and they are one of the top companies in the world. In this particular thing, you can actually do it in 3 years or 4 years if you want to.
Yeah, as I said, like shareholder value is good, but then you don't have a cash. The cash will not be there. So there are a lot of other factors which we were always pinning down on shareholder value. Probably that took us a little bit.
You have to look at it.
That gave a offline we were doing, so that deviated ourselves. So yeah, the whole thing is good. It gives you
a growth.
Yeah, but you have to keep on using this. So once you, as long as your intention will be good.
Chandru.
I got a deeper understanding of marketing and operations, and also I understood the sensitivity that is existing in both the functions as far as business is concerned. And then coming to the exercises and software, yes, the software is exciting. I'm glad that we did some mistakes so that we never forget the learnings.
You learn from it.
Probably if you are first time right, you would even forget some of the core learnings.
Right.
Only when you lose, you.
When you do something wrong, you learn from it. Good. So what you can do is, if you want, you can take the folder with you and bring it with you tomorrow. If you don't want to carry it, you want to leave it here, just put in a name slip so that we know it's your folder, and we'll keep everything together. I would love to get these in from you.